After your smart camera has been properly connected, open the installed camera setup software and connect your smart camera device. Enter edit mode. Click the auto adjustment button. Let the smart camera automatically adjust exposure and focus. Adjust parameters such as gain and lighting according to actual needs. Switch trigger mode to soft trigger. Setting the reference image. Switch to the output setting interface. Turn on the Save Image switch. Click the Edit button. Setting the Save On condition as a module state. Set the Save Image condition to All. Close the setup screen and confirm that the Save Image switch is turned on properly. At this point, the sample image can be captured either by hardware departure or by clicking a soft trigger button. Sample acquisition is complete. Disable image save function. Give the program a name to save. Switch to the operation management screen. Select the acquired image interface. Click Search button. At this point, the full collection of sample images is listed below. Check Select Current Page All. Export to a folder where the samples are stored. It should be noted that the export action can only select all the images on the current page, and you need to switch pages to export all the images step by step. Repeat the above steps until all image data is exported. After the export step, install and open the Deep Learning Support tool. Install the two files in turn. Launch Deep Learning Tool software. Selecting the SM Smart Camera platform and upcoming tool modules. Click the Next button. Click Plus to select the path of the sample image data just exported. Click the rectangular box button or the R key on the keyboard. Setting the result logo. You can select the logo after marking all of them. When there are missing feature identifiers, a prompt will appear that you need to check the list of identifiers. Label as many feature samples as possible. Get better model quality. After finishing the annotation work, click the Next button to enter the training process. Note that the smart camera only supports cloud-based model generation. Select Cloud Server Training at the top of the interface. Typically, the iteration parameter is set to 10 to 20 times the number of images. Selection of model classes based on emphasis on run speed and accuracy requirements. Setup is complete. Click the Start button to begin cloud training. Training is complete and you will get a generated model at the prompted path. If an error message appears during training, usually because the network transmission conditions are not adequate for training, you can send the folder containing the sample images to Kepler-Pro's technical support staff, who will provide you with the generated model files. When you've got the trained model file, open the Tool selection in Smart Camera Edit mode and select Deep Learning Tools. Import the trained model file. Validating the results of a model run. The recognition is not satisfactory. Add more number of sample images for model training to get a more perfect model. Okay, the above is the tutorial for getting the model of the smart camera. If you have any other questions or information needs, please contact our sales reps and engineers.